Hello guys, welcome to my channel Now Tech. Myself Pratap. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make use of inheritance in Python. So before that let me say about what is meant by inheritance. So inheritance is nothing but when there are two classes are there. So one is a derived class, one more is a base class. So always a class acquires the properties of some other class is called as a inheritance. It means a derived class will inherit or acquire the properties of some other class is called as a inheritance. So when there are two classes are there means we need to consider one is base class, one more is derived class. So this is the example for what is that means single inheritance. It means in single inheritance we need to consider one base class, one more is derived class. So here derived class, one derived class will depends on the one more base class. Similarly, we'll have next inheritance that is called as a multiple inheritance. What does this inheritance will say means here I need to consider two or more base classes and here we need to consider only derived class 1. Here one derived class will acquire the properties of many base classes. So here we need to consider one derived and two or more base classes. Likewise, next we will have multiple inheritance. What does this inheritance will say means there will be a one base class, one intermediate class and last one is derived class. Here derived class will inherit the properties of intermediate class, simultaneously base class. So it will acquire the properties of base class as well as intermediate class. After this we'll have a next inheritance that is a hierarchical inheritance. What does this inheritance will say means here we need to consider one base class, many derived classes. It means here we need to consider only one base class, two or more derived classes. So it is quite opposite to multiple inheritance. Why? In multiple inheritance we need to consider two or more base classes, only single derived classes. But what hierarchical say? Here I need to consider two or more derived classes but only one base class. After this we'll have last inheritance that is called as a hybrid. What does this inheritance will say means it is a combination of any two inheritance. Let's take example single inheritance plus multiple. If I make merge these two inheritance, that is the example for hybrid. Likewise, we can take the combination of any other inheritance. So this is the general introduction toward the inheritance and different types of inheritance. So today I am going to be explain about single inheritance. So a moment back what I said single inheritance means we need to consider two classes. One is base class, one more is derived class. Here derived class will depend on the base class. So it means derived class will acquire the properties of a base class. So let me open Python IDLE editor. So here I need to declare a class. I am giving some class name is ABC. Next I am making up a def keyword and how to declare the function. I am giving here a variable called self. Next I am taking here a print. I am passing here ABC class which is act as a base class. So now I am declaring here a class XYZ. Here I am taking ABC which is a base class. Here I am taking def again. I I'm making up here a function called show. And it makes of self as argument. Next I'm taking here output statement print. Here I'm taking a class XYZ as a derived class. Here I need to be declare a object. I am taking object name as a LMN equal to what is my derived class name is XYZ. Take XYZ. Now here I need to take the object dot. So I am retrieving here a base class function that is display. Similarly, LMN object name. I am retrieving the derived class function that is show. Now I will make it run. So the moment whenever I click on a run, it will ask me to save this source. I am giving a inheritance 1.py. Now I am saving this. Now you will get the resultant output in ideally. So ABC is a base class. So ABC is a base class, XYZ is a derived class. So how we will get this thing is, so I use a object by name is LMN, and I make use of here a derived class. So whenever I call LMN.display, this child class inherits the properties of ABC. So in ABC, I use a function as a display. So I get here ABC class. Similarly, element.show. Show is a direct derived class function. So you'll get here XYZ class. So this program will say that this derived class will inherit the properties of a base class. So that's all for today's video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.